Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to turn on the Suggest Changes option on your Google Docs mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to turn on the suggest changes in Google Docs mobile is going to show in this video. First of all, open a document or edit any document. So here, first of all, is turn off the viewing mode and change to print layout, which actually normal layout view. And here I just going to have this change mode here. So click on this and just click on the suggest changes on the third option. Just turn it on. Now you can suggest what should they write here. So just click this, turn on the suggest changes if you want to suggest something to here. So to boss, like this, I just made a suggestion, and you just can turn it off suggestion mode whenever you want. And I suggest this. If you just click this, you can see the who members have suggest this thing. So you can add a replay for this, or you can just ignore the suggestion, so it will be closed here like this. So this is how you just can turn it on and suggest some changes on the document to the members. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.